Hi guys, I am back today with another video. I decided to do a cake painting today. I also have here 8-inch cake. This is my vanilla cake recipe. I had just bought some square cake pans and so I wanted to try that out. And so today I am doing square cakes. I am using buttercream and I will leave a link to the recipe down in the description box below. I'm making sure my cake is even and then I can go ahead and start on my crumb coat. And I'm just cleaning up the sides of my cake and then I will add more frosting for the crumb coat. And I'm going to place my cake into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes just for it to chill, and then we can finish off the final coat. I have my cake out and now we are just going to finish with the final frosting. And I'm just making sure that the cake is nice and covered so that none of my cake is showing. I'm finishing off the sides and then I will place this back into the freezer for it to chill, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes. For the colors, I am using Chef Master Brown. These are the colors that I am using for my cake today. And I'm only using a little bit of buttercream for each color. This is actually the first time that I'm using this brand of color gel. And I'm just mixing up each color. I actually really liked how the colors turned out on my frosting. Okay, so my cake is out from the freezer and it's nice and solid. That way the buttercream does not smear all over the place. I am just starting off with the yellow in the center and then just working my way with all the colors that I had blended together. And I noticed when I had put the blue on, it was supposed to be purple, so I actually had to go back and add the purple on there instead. So that was an easy fix right there. This is also my first time cake painting, and so I honestly didn't know what to expect. I was just hoping that it would actually turn out. Now I'm just blending all the colors together now that it's all on my cake. I'm using a black color gel today for the painted trees. And onto the trees. I'm just painting on the tree trunks of my... And I really didn't know how I was going to put the trees on, but I figured this was probably one of the easier ones. I couldn't really decide on pine trees or palm, and so I did the pine trees instead. And with this, I'm just going back and forth with my paintbrush for the tree branches. And again, this is my first time cake painting, and so let me know what you guys think about this. And I'm finishing off the other sides of the trees. Right here I am using my regular white buttercream, and I'm using it number tip 3 to do stars on my cake. I'm going back into my cake with the black color gel, and I'm just piping on some birds. And this is what my cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this painted cake version. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos, and I will see you all in my next one. My baby also says bye.